Lesson 6.2. Use proportions to solve geometry problems. Start off with a list of properties of proportions. 2 over 3 equals 4 over 6 is the example I will be using. We've already covered the first one. The cross products are equal. So 2 times 6 equals 3 times 4. So they're both 12. Next, the reciprocals are equal. So if I turn them upside down, I'll have 3 over 2 and 6 over 4. Those are both 1.5, so they are still equal. Let's delete what I've written. We can interchange numbers along a diagonal. So I can exchange, for example, the 3 and the 4 can trade places. And it's still true, because now it's 2 over 4 and 3 over 6. Those are both 1/2. They're still equal to each other. And we can add the denominator to the numerator. So the left side, the 3 was the denominator, so I added 3 on top. The right side, the 6 was the denominator, so I added 6 on top, which gives me 5 over 3 and 10 over 6. But 10 over 6 reduces to 5 over 3, so it's still equal. And that's because when I added the 3 on top, it's like adding 3 over 3. And that's 1. When I add the 6 on top, it's like adding 6 over 6, which is 1. So I added 1 to both sides. So if they were equal before and I add 1 to both sides, it'll still be equal. So let's solve some geometry problems. Here's the first one. Today the book is giving you the proportion, so you just need to fill it in and solve. MN is 8 in the picture. RS is 10. NP is 4. ST is X. Let's solve by cross multiplying. I'll have 8X and 4 times 10. Divide by 8, and X is 5. Let's try another. I'll put it up there. DE is 12. AC is, we don't know, that's what we're looking for. BE is 18. And BC goes all the way there. It's that whole distance, so we'll have to add those together. So that'd be 18 plus 6, which is 24. So BC is 24. Cross multiply. I'll have 18 times AC equals 12 times 24, which is 288. Divide by 18, and we get our answer. AC is 16. Two cities are 96 miles from each other. The cities are 4 inches apart on a map. Find the scale of the map. So you know a map usually just has this little thing and it tells you, something like 1 inch equals 5 miles or whatever. We're going to find that scale. So let's set up a proportion. So let's have on the map over the real thing. So on the map they are 4 inches. The real thing is 96 miles. When you set up these proportions, the real usually goes on the bottom. All right, let's reduce this. Now before, in the last lesson, we made our units the same, but miles to inches would be crazy. So we're going to leave the units, but since they don't cancel, our answer is also going to have the units. The 4 and 96, I can reduce those both by 4 and give me 1 over 24. But it was 1 inch on top and 24 miles on the bottom. So our scale of the map is 1 inch is 24 miles. You can also write it as a colon. Look, you have extra credit today. Have a good day.